All right, welcome back. CAD 49, number 5, the angle support. Now this one is in metric. It is millimeters. So we'll grab this and then we'll come down here to metric. Standard millimeter. All right, so what we're going to do, we're going to start off on the side with the front view of this one, which means we're going to have an angled view 95. So what we'll do this, okay? And it's 95 in two directions. So we're going to have a line coming this way 95. And then we'll have a line coming this way, 95. And that will be 120 degrees. So let's go ahead and dimension that so we can get that right. So that's 120, right? 120. All right, so we'll get that centered up. Now, we got a thickness of 20. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to offset and grab it. Now, notice how it gets both of them, okay? And then you just type in 20. That's got it. Now we can close off the ends. Oh my goodness, the days. I'll just undo that. There we go. Finish. And we can extrude. Now remember, on this one we want to extrude in both directions. So we're going to do a symmetrical extrusion. So we'll grab this one, symmetrical. Okay. Now, our radius of the front of this thing is 40. So 40 and 40 is 80. So we have 80 on this. Okay, so there we go. All right, so now we need to get the rounded front on this. I'm just going to go ahead and go to the top. And you can rotate it or not. I like to rotate it so things are nice and neat. And do me a little circle. Right in the center, out to the edge. And then trim this side off. 3D model, extrude. 2. Pick the bottom. And there we go. All right, now let's get that middle part. So we got a circle. It's going to start in the same spot, right? And our diameter is 65. And you're like, wait a minute, McLean, there's one in the middle too. Yeah, but we're going to do that as a whole. So we're going to come up 25. And hit finish. Okay. There we go. All right, so that's got that. Now we'll go ahead and get our hole in. All right. And our hole is 35. And once again, pick the edge, and that'll center it. Make sure through all is picked, and then hit OK. There's that. All right, now, the reason why I did it both directions is because we got to get this rib, okay? Now, the book shows you exactly how to do it. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the origin, okay? There's my XY. That's where I want to do my plane, so new sketch right there. All right, F7 cuts it in half. What we want is we want to go from here to here, okay? And we want to have a line here. So I'm going to project this line. And I'm going to project this one here. And then I'm going to go point to point. And then I'm going to take that one out. So there's our two lines. Finish the sketch. All right, so we got our two lines. Now we're going to come over here. All right, we're looking for rib. Rib is right here. Okay, so you got extrude, blah, 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 rib. All right, let's get our thickness set. In this case, it's 16. And then we're going to pick our profile. All right. And there it is. Okay. See that? Parallel to sketch plane, normal to sketch plane. We want parallel. Puts our rib in there. We'll hit OK. And it wraps just perfectly here. We'll zoom in. See how it just does it just perfect? I said perfect, and look at that. I tell you what. All right, so all you got to do, we'll just go back, and we'll edit our sketch. And we'll see, where did we mess up? We didn't. We did good. F7. I guess that's just the way it goes, because our sketch is good. So anyway, it's there. Now we got to finish this face. All right, so we'll go over there. All right, so we got the outsides. They're spaced 90 apart. All right, so we're going to have a circle. And it's going to be 50 because it's a radius of 25. Now, that's going to be 25. That's going to be 5. Okay? And we'll do a little line here. Now, we're going to trim that off. Trim that off. Come in here. Zoom. There we go. I need a line from here out. Alright, so we got that half. Now we need it on the other side as well. So I'm going to need a line. Now I can grab this and mirror. And pick my mirror line. Hit apply. Now I've got it on both sides. Done. Alright, then I'll project this side to close it off. And I can get rid of that. It's no longer necessary. Finish my sketch. Alright, now remember we're going to extrude 2. Pick 2 and pick the back face. And hit OK. Alright, almost done. We got 2 fillets to do. Got to be a 10mm here and a 10mm there. So fillet. So 10. Get that one. And get that one. And hit OK. And then we got 2 holes. Okay, hole, and our hole size is 25. Pick one here. Put one there. And then those are nice and centered. We're good to go. And we'll hit OK. And that's got it completed. Now once again, they're not giving us any kind of material or anything like that. So we don't know what it is. Properties. We're going to call this the angle support. And we'll save. Okay, 49, right? Now, on this one, we're going to need top view, front view, and auxiliary view. Okay? Metric. All right, once again. That sheet, we still want B size. And get our base view. And half scale will work for this. Okay, now get our auxiliary view. Pop it right there. All right, now we're going to go to Tools, and we're going to go to Document Settings. Okay, make sure that that is set to ANSI MM before you start dimensioning. Okay. Annotate. And let's start marking holes. All right. Now on this one, we'll just dimension from this line forward. This one we'll get the sides. I need to put a center line through here. and then on this one we'll get this face. All right, to put a center line in the middle between those two, grab this, and then pick each line, and it puts the center line right between them, okay? All right, so we'll start dimensioning. So now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this, and I'm going to go precision, okay? And I'm going to change my primary units to 0. Okay. Now I can right click, edit dimension style. Ah, where'd it go? There we go. Alright, so our edit dimension style, see our precision is that. Let's change it to this and save. Alright, now. See? Now it's changed it. Alright. Alright, that's about all we can do with that one. Okay. That's got that. Now, put that one there, that one there, and that one there. All right, and that's got it. So that one's taken care of. We'll go ahead and save that. CAD 49. Then we get that there, and then we can output it. Export, PDF, CAD 49. All right, so that's got that one. There's only one more left, the jigsaw base, number 6, and we'll do that next. And we'll see you then.